Hey everybody, welcome to Taste with Chef Tisha. My name is Chef Tisha Bunton with Queen City Cuisine, LLC. During our time together, I want to invite you inside of my kitchen where we'll go over a couple of recipes from my cookbook, The Temple, a cooking guide for a well-fed soul. My goal is to share my knowledge with you about different topics, such as fresh pasta making. A little later down the line, we'll go over food styling and a little bit of food photography on top of our cooking videos. And don't worry, all these meals will be really easy to learn and you'll have so much fun making them. Don't worry, we're gonna go behind the scenes a little bit so you guys can see how I turn my passion into a profitable small business. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I'll have more videos coming soon. And remember, laugh a little bit. It's just food.